How to fix Windows activation error. So if you want to fix your Windows activation error, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Search for your settings, and then you need to go with time and language. Under time and language, go with date and time, and make sure that you have set your time automatically. Make sure that the automatic time zone is turned on. So you need to just turn these off. And here you'll have set time automatically. You need to turn it on and make sure that the automatic option is turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on Sync Now, which is right here. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. And now for the second step, you're going to head with search and type in activation settings. Once you find it, click on activation settings. Once you're here, you need to just go with troubleshoot. You will find the troubleshoot option right here. Wait for it to load. Once you turn on your troubleshooter, once your troubleshoot has been completed, try to activate Windows on your device. If it doesn't work, then you can contact your service provider to get help, or your license key may not actually be genuine. So you can go ahead to your Microsoft Store and purchase a genuine one. Also, if you have changed your hardware recently on your device, then you can, or you want to click on the option of I changed hardware on this device recently, which will be under your Windows activation troubleshooter section. And then go through the steps and your problem might be fixed. Or the next thing we can do is just simply go with change product key right here. Click on change, which is on the right side, and then enter your product key. You need to enter your product key again. Maybe you typed in wrong last time when you did it. So try typing it again, and then hopefully this will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.